Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use Remini for photo restoration projects or family archives. Alright, so open your Remini application. So as you can see, this is how my Remini application will look like from the start. Alright, so when you open it with no project that was progressing, this is how it will look like. So come to your options here, photos, then you scroll down and look for the perfect photo that you're going to be restoring. Alright, so I'll select this photo over here. Alright, so after that, tap on this button that says enhance, then wait for it to be uploaded. So the next step, it will be reconstructing. Then after reconstructing, it will go to add more pixels. Alright, so let's wait and see. So as you can see, it has been now restored and the quality is basically superb. Alright, so thank you for watching guys. When you reach at this point, you can basically choose any version you want. You can choose version 3 or even version 2. Alright, so after choosing any version you want, you can save it from here, then you're good to go. Alright, so thank you for watching. We shall meet in the next video.